Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute banana Pusheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top here, and let's draw a curve up and back down for the first hand. Now let's start drawing the shape of the body. Underneath the hand, let's draw a small curve down. Now let's continue that line above the hand by curving it up, over to the left, and back down, stopping here. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the other hand by drawing a curve over and back up. Now inside the body, let's draw the face. Let's start with the mouth by drawing two curves, like this. And then two circles for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now top to the right side, and let's draw two curves for the whiskers, and then two inside on the left. Now on top of the face, let's draw two curved V shapes up for the ears. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and let's continue drawing the body. Let's start underneath on the right side, and let's draw a curve over, around, and back up like this. And now on top, let's draw another piece going out to the right and back in. And now let's draw one more on the bottom left. Now underneath on the right side, let's continue that body line by curving it out, around, and back up on the left. And now let's hop inside and let's draw two curves at the bottom for the feet. Lastly, underneath, let's add the tail. Let's start with a curve out and back in. And then add some curved stripe lines inside. And that's it for Banana Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!